Okay, we know that whenever we add or subtract fractions and mixed numbers, we have to find a common denominator. So in this case, the common denominator would be 12. Okay, so out of 12, we would multiply by 2, we'd multiply by 2, so we would have -2 and 10/12. And this would be, let's see, we'd multiply by 3. This would be -1 and 3/12. Now, you can add these as mixed numbers. The only problem is you're then going to have to like convert them because you're going to wind up with an improper fraction and a mixed number. And that's why I like to just operate with improper fractions. So I'm going to change both of these to improper fractions. All right. 2 times 12 is 24 plus 10. That's 34/12, which is negative. And 1 times 12, this is 15/12, which is also negative. When signs are the same, we add them. So 34 and 15, that makes 49, and we keep the sign. Of course, our denominator stays the same, and as long as we can't simplify, we're done. If you had changed it into an improper fraction, oh, excuse me, into a mixed number, that's fine. You would have gotten 4 and 1/12, which is negative. But again, I would just leave it as an improper fraction. Okay, for B, I want to go ahead and leave, change, opposite, and we need a common denominator. In this case, it's going to be 40. Okay, so in the first one, we're multiplying by 8. -4 times 8 is a -32. And the second one, we're multiplying by 5. And a -7 times 5 is a -35. Common denominators will always stay the same. And when I add 32 and 35 together, since they're both negative, we do add them, we're going to get 67, and it's negative. So that would have been your answer there. You could have changed it into an improper, I said that last time, mixed number. Oh, and let me tell you, the word of the video today is lampshade. You can tell what I'm looking at in my office, lampshade. But this would have been 1 and 27/40, which is negative. But again, improper fractions, totally fine.